running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon. A jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to? Too long.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry and I'm so glad you joined me today. Today I have for you a collab video with a group of beautiful people that I've known here on YouTube for quite some time, and we like to get together every once in a while and collab together, and it's always fun, and there's always beautiful creative looks that come out of these collabs. The organizer of this collab is GONZ girl DENI. Beautiful person, beautiful face, beautiful soul. Love her to death, and so when she asked me to join this collab, I was super happy and excited to do it. So it is the Ugly Christmas Sweater collab, and I think I have that right, but if not, I'll fix it in the annotation. So the idea behind this is to find an ugly Christmas sweater that you like or that inspires you, and to create a look based on the inspiration you got from that sweater. So I was strolling through Pinterest and Google Images and all these things, and I found a sweater that made me laugh. And I'm gonna show it to you on my phone here, and if that doesn't work, I will insert a picture for you to see. But after I show it to you, I will let you know why it caught my eye, why it made me chuckle, and why I decided to use it for the inspiration behind my ugly sweater look. So here you go, with my scratched up phone shield, or whatever you want to call it. It says, "Only Santa can judge me." And it made me laugh because I know it might be hard for you to believe, but back in the day, and it was a Tuesday, I really liked Tupac Shakur, and so he had an album called All Eyes on Me, and it had a song in it called Only God Can Judge Me, and I'm pretty sure that's what they're implying. He's got like a West Side sign up, and he's got I call it a do-rag, he's got a bandana, a do-rag around his head, and so it just made me laugh because that was a song that I used to like and an album that I really liked back in the day. It might have been a Thursday. But anyways, I liked this. I liked that it had black, red, gold, and white, and I thought I can make a look from that. I can be inspired by that. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you would like to see my process on this ugly Christmas sweater collab look, then please keep watching. Before I get started, I wanted to show you that I'm going to use a variety of palettes because I have an idea in mind of what I want. And so I'm going to use the Bad Habit Royals palette. That looks like that. I'm going to use some from the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and it looks like that. And I'm going to use some colors from my brand new Christmas present from my friend Courtney, 39A Dare to Create Morphe palette, and all of its beautifulness. So those are the ones I plan to use. I may pull in some others if I need an additional color or two, and I'll show you those. I'll hold them up for you if I decide to use something else. But either way, through the editing or the actual picture, I'll show you what I'm using. I am going to fast forward through this because when I get into these collab looks, I really get into my zone, and it's usually pretty lengthy because I'm very much a perfectionist. So I'm gonna zip through that, but still you'll get to see my process, and I'm so excited that you're here to see it. So here we go.
I've been running past all that has been too soon. A jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to? Too long to get through. I've been wearing all black hats, got a tattoo. Wanna know where you're at, but I'm too afraid to ask you. Smiling and laughing, it's back to your old news. You say remember my name when you're famous and too cool. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want to, and it's on stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change. Staring at the frames, nothing changed in my old room. The music never left, but I guess that I had to. Ooh, smile on the wall, where you been, where you from, dude? It's been too long, too long. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want to, and it's all your stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change. Oh, you'll never know where it takes you, but you can't stay. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want to, and it's all your stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change. So you'll never know where it takes you, but you can't stay. It's so strange when you can't stay in the same place. Catch me riding upon that wave. When it breaks, I won't wait. I'll keep trying to find my on my face. On my face, keep trying to find my on my face. On my face, know just who I am. I've been running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon. A jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to? Too long to get through. I've been wearing all black hats, got a tattoo. Wanna know where you're at, but I'm too afraid to ask you. Smiling and laughing, it's back to your old news. You say remember my name when you're famous and too cool. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want to, and it's all your stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change. Oh, you'll never know where it takes you, but you can't stay. Staring at the frames, nothing changed in my old room. The music never left, but I guess that I had to. Ooh, smile on the wall, where you been, where you from, dude? It's been too long, too long. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want to, and it's all your stage. Rearrange, chasing real name. You can be whatever you want to, and it's all your stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change, so you'll never know where it takes you, but you can't stay.
Alright guys, I'm back with a finished look. I know that something happened during the filming with my SD card. This is the replacement SD card for the one that was corrupting my files before. And inevitably it's going to happen whenever I'm filming a collab and something that obviously I'm not going to redo on my face again. So I'm going to go ahead and give you another up close and personal. I think the last clip that you'll see is me putting on eyeliner, and a lot of times I'll go off camera to do lashes and all that stuff, so I think you'll be okay. The lippy that I used is Immortal by Gerard Cosmetics. I think this is a perfect red. It's a perfect comfortable matte so that it will stay in place. And of course I added my little, I call these do-rags. I added myself a sexy little do-rag just to kind of match it up with the picture, but I do know that you didn't get any close-ups of the eye look, so I'm going to zoom you in again and let you see what we have here. I think it turned out beautifully. I love the red and the gold. I love the glitter. I love the white glitter in the center. And I do have to say a special shout out and a thank you to my friend Nicole, because she sent me this trio. These are two out of the trio of Stila glitters she sent me as a Christmas gift. So thank you, Nicole. I put them to good use today. I used Diamond Dust and Gold Goddess. I used Diamond Dust and Gold Goddess, so thank you, Nicole. I think they are beautiful. I think they look perfect with this look. All right, so I'll pose for you. Anyways, back out we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching my creative process to come up with an ugly Christmas sweater inspired look. I do think it's pretty. I feel like a pinup girl right now. And I think it's gorgeous, and I think the lip's perfect. I just love how it turned out. I haven't had the opportunity in quite a while just to sit down and play with makeup and be creative and come up with something that's kind of outside the box of what I would ordinarily wear. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the majority of my process. I'm sorry for the problems. That's just the way it goes. No time to refilm, so you're gonna kind of get what you get and don't throw a fit. There's a teacher phrase for you. So thank you again, DENI, for including me in this collab. I had so much fun. I really appreciate it. And for sure, go down into my info box and check out the links of all the other people that are participating. Watch my video, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and then go check out the other people. I'm sure you will have tons of really incredible looks, maybe some inspiration for your own makeup look or your Christmas holiday look, and all that good jazz, as my friend Marlo says. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Some immortal kisses for you. So the idea behind this is to find a
I've been running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon. A jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to.